Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process for how you can install and download the Picsart application for your mobile device. Now for that, you go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you open the App Store, you tap on the search bar and there you type in Picsart and tap on search. You can see the application on the very first. Picsart is a largest all-in-one creative platform of photo, video editing and design tools. It's an ecosystem of free-to-use content and inspiration. Now here, to install the application for your mobile device, you just need to tap on install just beside it. You tap on install and with that, you wait for the application to be fully installed. You can see here the application has been fully installed. Now here you just tap on open. Once you tap on open, the application will be launched in your mobile device. This is how you can easily install and download the Picsart application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.